Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kinoilam jong ko all Meghalaya Pharmacist Association kelatur kindet cha Secretariat mentakastam jong kat South uyayong arhajar arpun riu. Kadago jenik tur jongki kedai namar bakil up hadu kumba Bnai banyak Kynduh yung Myntri tanat Koit Khiah uba awailat baki shela kata nadu Bnai rempang hindre hadu mentaru mshim la aipo leki banyak Kynduh. Hindi ngene kejuan tur cha Secretariat ujian Secretary jong kenik association uba wishel suting ulaya tho ba Myntri ka Koit Khiah ulaya keren bat kiling ba phone bat ulakular ban platform mentakas ngi banyak Kynduh yaki banyak keren yakimat kibaki kwa banyak keren ki Pharmacist ki kwa baga sarkar ki ban sange no ke jing ai training ekidu shimet haki CHC PHC bat ki wi bat ki jaga sumar dag penkam yaki kum ki pharmacy assistant kilo ong bakat kum ke pharmacy ai ka kandai spasa hupra ka sarkar kap ni thu ki tagi pharmacy assistant hindre de tangki pharmacist ki baga kerdeng jongki la penrung haki state pharmacy council ki bala bani thu bat ki samla puli pharmacy haki jaga puli be ithu daga pharmacy council of India. Kila dawa naga sarkar bakadiban batha eka DHS MI ban sange no ka jing ajing kai ye kita ki assistant pharmacy haki CHC PHC bat kiwe ki jaka sumar bat deban island tangin kita ki pharmacist kibla ithu kakum ka pharmacy ai ka kandai spa sta popra.
Also, we already gave the appointment letter.
If the minister is not there also today, we will it's possible. We'll meet the chief minister. All the premises, which is as a pharmacy premises, what will happen to the state? This is the life and death of the people of the state. Yes, that's what we came here. So we are the concern. That we are the job seeker. We need job.
Give me your paper which you are not looking for this appointment.
Because the chief minister has published, has announced that they has passed the service rule, Meghalaya Pharmacy service rule. But yet till today they have not published in copy in any link of the health department from health department. Look, this is a serious concern.
I understand. What I need to tell you is, come, have a talk with the minister.
Sir, see,
Myself, I cannot say anything about this. I don't know anything.
that's why we
Previous
understand.
minister, I was not with him. I was not with her. So I don't know anything about that.
See, about this also, no, sir, see, all these people, they are coming from very far places. So if we need to come from very far, their village is
That
very
is
far.
the reason, first and foremost, you should call us up, take an appointment.
We already
and
called.
come.
How many
We already
times
called.
we called?
It's from last year.
2nd of 2025.
We have the proof.
We
We
have
have
the
the appointment letter.
Received copy
We have, but
here.
from the office, they
Everything.
didn't respond.
Yeah.
So who's wrong
Means
now,
the
sir?
office the office didn't take any responsibility.
Now
All
who's wrong,
our,
sir? From our side or from the office side, sir?
It's mean like that.
But we are not aware. When did you call us? I was always there in the office.
Sir,
Yeah, here. See, look at this.
see, we'll show you in front of the media. Everything's here.
The receipt
How many
Received
letters
date on the 4th of Feb.
Okay, give me
Yes.
that.
This is one.
then to the secretary also to the
DHS also we have sent. Secretary also here.
Give me back.
Now, sir, what we request you, you're saying appointment, we want in written, fix the time when you are giving the appointment. We will, until we get that, we'll be here, sir.
We want the confirmation of the appointment.
Written appointment, when he will be free, when he want to talk with us, sir.
That I cannot tell. I have to call him up.
Yeah,
Yeah, you call him, sir.
Yes,
You call him, sir.
We have time. We have time, sir. We will wait.
You call him, we'll wait here.
We'll wait, sir.
Okay, then you.
He's the one
Yes,
to
sir.
serve the public.
He will stand here till he will confirm us at what time.
No. Like, once you get the confirmation, we'll inform you. We'll let you know.
Ngila yo jubab nai sir wailat ke halo lengba kapun kilai ihi ke ila ong ba ngila batai ya kata ka jing ya kendu longka appointment bangilaan dadu bentua bangimyo banyo iki update tentang ngila yo ban keren ni ti ong ba in one tasni in one kendu bangimyo ya keren bentas ni kan pendep ka jing ya keren bentas ni berarti ban keren sih baik pa yo ong ba up ni saya keren saya
Kebilang apa ini
Inap dan cakai ben.
Karena wan kan baca minister.
Yang ada. Kami dia ada like semua minta yang kita. Keren phone minta. Lempang yang kapot, tangi yang up, kepilapan up. Sir yuk semua minta.
Minister said if they want to
but not in front of
So this is the thing, you hear person, I think it's not allowed. So you can just one start the other party can just wait there. This is like general people comes, officers, cars, everyone comes, right? So it's like we have
Then allowed us to sit inside, sir.
No, how
Look, because we got a confirmation that if you can wait. Then better to wait to his office only. But inside only.
No.
Why you wait? Where's the use of waiting outside?
it's same here.
No, sir. See,
Then
sir, we are professionals, sir. We are not just ordinary like laborers and all, sir. We have degree. We came here, we respect it, and we know the law. That's why now you are telling us to sit this like we are fighting for something. We are not fighting. We are like it's there already, sir. So now we already have given confirmation. So we already got the appointment. Now what's the harm? So if we go there and sit there, sir. Now
But
the
there
point
is
is,
no, this is secretariat. Yes, sir. So security concern is there, no? Like so, this one appointment, full appointment. He didn't written statement. That was like verbally. He said that he's willing to meet you. But once you enter this one, it's in written. So once you get the confirmation and all. Yeah. So
we have
the
confirmed
application,
with the sir. It is, we even the media also they heard. He said, "I'm coming."